Welcome back to Lesson 8 of the Kodu Game Lab Tutorial Series. In Part 2, we are going to have a look at the fixed offset camera. Let's start. Like in Lesson 1, I have pre-set up a game world. What we've got here is a long strip of world with the aim of creating a 3D platform game. The idea though is that rather than it being a full 3D game where the whole world spins and you can jump, it will be locked into a single position. The technical term for this is actually a 2.5D platform game. Let's have a look at the code for my character. I have started by selecting that when the keyboard and WASD keys are pressed, we're going to move, and I've limited it to east or west. I've also selected that when I press the spacebar, my character will jump. When I play the game, it's still in free camera mode, so it will follow me around and I can zoom in or out using the mouse. The problem with this is that obviously I can't go north or south because it's limited, as you can see, but I don't want the actual camera to be following me. So let's have a look and see what the fixed offset mode does. Again, like we did in Lesson 1, let's go to the settings menu, and this time we'll select the middle option and make sure it says fixed offset. I'm now going to click the X to set the camera position. As in the first lesson, it also says at the bottom, move the camera into the position that you want and then press enter. So currently we're in camera mode. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select to get my game world roughly around about there. And I'm going to center my character on the screen. I'm now going to press enter, and then I'm going to press escape to get back into the main game world. What will now happen then is that when I play the game, you'll be able to see that I can go this way, but what's happening now is that the camera is still following my player, but it's not rotating like it did before. This is a very useful camera mode for creating these 2D or 2.5D platformers and any other type of game that you can think of where you don't want the camera to be spinning around. Have a play with this and see what you can do.